Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video. In this video, I will guide you about the University of Genova, that how you can apply on this scholarship. So little bit it's very they have very complex portal that you have to make account on different side, and then you have to log in on University of Genova, and you have to verify everything by your email. So let's move toward the detail of this university, the scholarship, and then how we can make up an account and how you can submit your application. So if we talk about the in a little bit information like international admission selection by 2026 and 27, and this scholarship or this university basically offering a scholarship for a bachelor and master students only. So if you wanna take a degree in Italian degree in Italian language or in English language, or in same case in bachelor in bachelor, if you want to apply for Italian degree you need a Italian language certificate, or if you want to apply for English you don't need to provide any kind of proficiency letter. If you can get the English proficiency letter from your department, from your previous school university, then you can put that one there. They also mention these things here. If we talk about the document, mandatory document required by all courses, that you have to provide a curriculum vitae, like provide information about your educational background, additional courses, work activity, internships, and bachelor degree final or provisional certificate. What is provisional certificate? Provisional certificate is basically authenticated document that a university or college or a school provide on behalf of you, that this student will be passed in the final examination. Request letter from your university with the expected date of achievement of degree, and after that the transcript of record. You have to provide information about your record. Additional and mandatory documents, description of the program of the exams, and English language proficiency certificate level B2 or medium of instruction. If you look at this part, that medium of instruction is MOI. If you have a bachelor degree in English, and alternative upload the certificate that English has been the medium of instruction for the duration of your undergraduate studies. Optimal document, additional document, you have to provide maximized size of upload document is, which is about a 2 MB, and a maximum size maybe is a 5 MB, and your document should be in English. Okay, so visa application selection. So this part is a different thing. After if you are selected, then you can look at again a video, and they also mention all of the detail about the visa. They minimum CGPA they require 70%, 75% only in all of the program. If you they also mention about the program like horticulture, bioengineering, computer engineering, English engineering, digital humanities, energy engineering, and a lot of program. I can't read all of the programs. Or if only bachelor in the field of engineering. They also mention that in which degree you can apply for a bachelor program. If you look at here, only bachelors. Okay. Information for application submission. Information on the bachelor degree, use the entry qualification, and these are information for about the documents here. Okay, now we talk about the university benefit. What kind of scholarship we will get? It's basically they mention a lot of scholarship, but we talk about a basic scholarship which provide all of the things, which is known as ALISEO benefit and scholarship. The Ligurian Agency of the Student and Orientation offer concrete opportunities to make the most of a university's experience through the provision of a competitive benefits and services. The benefit, you will get a student bursary, exemption from regional taxes and university fee, housing services, and intervention in favor of disabled students. So they will give you a total fee waiver, they will provide you accommodation, and they will give you a stipend. And you will also get some other services like they will give you subsidized food services, study room, computer classroom, cultural and sport activities, information and guidance. And if you want to read more about this scholarship, you can just click it here and they will give you some more information. Scholarship for accommodation in university college, they mention the other things here. Okay, this one is a main scholarship which I want to mention here, but they also mention some other scholarships like the merit award for student enroll in the year for the first, and merit award for student enroll in the first year. They mention like 200 euros to 400 euros, 200 euros. These are merit based scholarship that you can get. You can also get that one if you are successfully eligible for this scholarship. You will also get those one also. Okay, so this is the some little information about the scholarship and some information about the documentation. Let's move toward that, how you can apply on this scholarship here. Number of applicant. Okay, you can request evaluation for up to two courses of study in a you, so it's mean that in one application you can submit 2 year of to two you can submit two applications. Secondary high school diploma and total schooling of at least 12 year. For the bachelor degrees you are required, and for the master degree you have to provide them BS degree. Information of evaluation optimal but recommended MOE. I already told you about this one. Information about the documents. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let's move there. The opening date they are already announced on 26th November, and the closing date is around about 20th March. You have to apply it as soon as possible here. And two calls of verify foreign qualification in each. So they mention some other things here. Okay, access to master degrees like taught in English, and access to a bachelor degree taught in English. So if you wanna more information about your what kind of courses and what kind of a specific requirement they need, you can just click on these part English and English, and you will get the full information here. Okay, so now the important thing is that how you can make an account on it, because they mentioned that submit your application on Unity apply. For example, if we click on it here, you cannot make an account on this website because they just gonna show us a page. Because I already have I made an account on it, so therefore they just open this one. Just move background. Okay, if you look at here, where to register for obtain the UniG pass, because if you click on it there, they will ask you some kind of ID and password, but you cannot make a new account on the portal if you click it here. For you make an account, where to register to obtain the UniG pass, just you can click it here, and you have to click on register to get a Uni pass. When you click on it, because I already have, they will give you some kind of information, and after that you have to make an account. They will send you email. Like first of one, they will send you this email that you have to click on this link and verify your email. When you verify your email, they will send you a login password, and like you can see, they already sent to me unipass login credential for online services. They send me a username and password. You have to use these password and username for their login services. You can see they will show you like this one, and after that you have to come on the portal website, and you have to write the username or password they send to you by email. I will attach all of web link in the video description, that you can easily get that link and use for the document and application makeup. Okay, so they have a four part here: the students, teachers, staff, and for all. So you have to click on student services. After that, you want to apply on it: virtual badges, pre-enrollment, exam booking, all of the information. Just click on Unity apply, because you are a new student or an international student. You have to apply first. Okay, you have to declare that one, and you have to submit a new application for 2026 and 24. Pre-assessment of a student with a foreign qualification for access to Unity courses. So first of all, you have to submit your all of the information. If you look at here, you have to choose a course, profile, address, education, a photo ID, documents, further information, and declaration. What kind of study you want to do? Like they mentioned that economic, pharmacy, law, engineering. So some of students ask me about the medical and the law. So medicine and surgery and law are here. You can apply in Italy. So in my case, I will choose engineering. Okay, after you get all of the login, your login ID and your password, they will open the pages where you can look at a lot of the program about economics, pharmacy, law, engineering, arts and philosophy, medicine, education, mathematical and political, international science. So a lot of students ask me about law and medicine degree, so you can apply now in this University of Genova. Okay, these are the program. Before going to this one, you have to complete your information in your profile, like username, birthday, your city. You can look at here. I'm from Sahiwal basically, so I put Sahiwal here. So my nationality is Pakistan, so I put Pakistan here. After that, you have to give information about your house, place of residence, country, province, postal code, type, and contact. Here you have to provide the city, and after that, you have to give information about your diploma, high school diploma. You have to give that foreign high school, and state. Here you can put like Pakistan. So you have to, if you're Pakistan, put Pakistan, Nigeria, because I have a lot of students from Nigeria, Ethiopia. So you have to choose according to your city, according to your country, and then you have to write the name of your school and all of the information here. After that, you have to upload your diploma and degree here. What about photo and ID documents? ID, you have to provide the ID. You can choose your passport, and you have to provide the issue date, the expiration date, and the number of the passport, and you have to choose front and back side of your passport. And after that, you have to move toward the documentation. No document required. In this section, you can upload document on the basis of selected courses. Once upload, they will appear for each study course in a new document upload section, and you will have to click on the submit button to confirm the upload. Okay, so now you don't have any part that where you can submit your document. I will guide you that when they will show you the document section. There is a further information. You have the level of English. You have to choose that, like a B2, the required level of knowledge of Italian language. You can put it none. Level of your computer and programming knowledge. You can put it advanced if you have it. And after that, you have to click on declaration, where have you give a personal information and privacy. Just, and now you can see that your all information are finished, and only the red part is remaining because I didn't add the information here. So you have to add all of the information, then your these parts should be like a green, like black or gray. And also you have to fill up all of the educational information here correctly, address correctly, and then we move toward the courses here. Before choosing the course, I want to give you some a little information about university application fee, that how you can pay that one. Okay, payment of an application fee, student visa application. This one is basically for student visa application. 30 euro fixed fee for maximum two applications. So you can submit one application, and after one or within week you can submit again one more application with within these 30 euros. You have to save your receipt or data. Applicants can only be submitted after payment has been made. So you can submit your application. First of all, you have to pay a money. The second application can also be submitted at a later date. The payment already made remain valid. Where to pay, I will show you that. And how you can pay, you can pay by credit or debit card. You can pay by Bancomat Pay, by My Bank, and a PayPal, and a Satispay. Okay, just click on Unity Shop, University of Genova shop. Okay, here you have to purchase that. Why, where you, what you wanna do. So they will show you that categories. So first of all, you have to choose that Unity print in, and you have, because you are international student, you are going to apply in a university, you have to choose Unity apply. After Unity apply, they will show you this page, fee Unity apply. You have to click and put in a card, and after putting in the card, they will in the card they will show you that free Unity apply 30 euros of one amount and this one. After click on confirm and pay, they will click on that once you confirm your purchase, you will no longer do able to change. Just click on OK, and you can look at here. Your purchase ID is this one, this one, this one. 30 euro confirmed purchase status, and buyer, and one X fee you need in apply, 30 euros. And now proceed with the payment. To make an immediate payment via Pagopa, and to print a Pagopa payment noticeable payable at one of the participating PS5. And after paying the fee here, you can just click on it, and after paying the fee, Then you have to come back on the website here, and you can choose the required program. For example, if I in the pharmacy they don't have any program in a law. No, no, no. Maybe they have some glitch here, so I just put a refresh it again. After making all of the payment section, they will uh, hmm, okay, just click on the program here and they will show you. For example, if you click on this one, they will show that the course cannot be selected because you must first pay the fee. So you have to pay a fee first, and then after paying a fee they didn't show you this one. The payment ID will directly be attached with your account login, and they will send you a confirmation email on your Gmail section where you can confirm all of the information. After that, they didn't show you this one, and you have to click on it and submit your application. You can see, if I click on submit, they will show me that you must indicate the city. City is mean that you have to choose a course and pay a fee, then you can submit your application. Okay, so about those students who just come on the comment section and say that the information is wrong. The video is around about from 14 to 15 minutes. To get all of the information, you have to watch a video from A to Z. Otherwise, you cannot get the information and you put a wrong comment, and I will hide you from the channel. And you no longer you can get information about the new scholarships. So 30 euro is not a big deal. You can submit two applications, University of Genova. And if you look at about the scholarship, I already told you that I already mentioned you about the scholarship section. They have a lot of scholarship. They are providing you total tuition fee waiver. They will give you a housing. They give you food. What do you need in 30 euros? 30 euros. If you invest 30 euros and you get the Italian degree and you get a house, you get a food, you get uh, all of the other fee exemptions, then it's not a big deal for you guys. So just share this video with your friends so they can all apply. If you don't want to apply, you can share with your friend in your circle, in your social media, so they can, if somebody have a good document, they can apply, will change their life, with their parents life, their family life. So until that time, remember me in your prepare. Allah Hafiz.